PEPE coin to become a crypto millionaire. According to the official website of the project, PEPE has a total supply of 420,690,000,000,000 tokens. The meme coin currently ranks 107th among the largest cryptocurrencies with a market capitalization of $312 million. Despite skepticism from some market participants, PEPE has a fairly high chance of survival. Despite recent turmoil in the team, the community remains strong. Moreover, listings by giants like Binance have at least ensured its survival in the medium term. If interest continues to stay strong, PEPE could solidify its position among established meme coins, following in the footsteps of Doge and Shiba coin. Becoming a crypto millionaire with PEPE coin is possible when the price returns to its all-time high of $0.000000431. However, you would need to purchase 232,019,487,536 PEPE at today's price, which amounts to approximately $182,000. Is there a guarantee that the price will reach its ATH level? No, there is no such guarantee, and the price could even go to zero, resulting in the loss of your $182,000. Is there a possibility of making more profit by investing in different altcoins? This possibility is much stronger than the risk of the price going to zero because there are many newly launched and undervalued altcoins in the market. We have seen altcoins in the past that have surged hundreds of times above their initial prices, and assuming this trend continues, some alternatives could potentially yield not just $1 but $10 million in gains during a bull market. Alternatively, it is also possible that we may never see a new bull market. Investors who accumulate wealth with the hope of significant gains may find that their capital is wiped out. Investment decisions in the volatile cryptocurrency market should be made carefully, considering the potential risks and rewards. It's crucial to diversify and not put all your eggs in one basket, as the market is unpredictable and subject to sudden changes. The recovery witnessed in PEPE price towards the September end encountered a significant obstacle from the dual resistance level of $0.00000083 and the upper trend line of an established channel pattern. With the leading cryptocurrency Bitcoin experiencing a pullback from the $28,500 level, the PEPE coin too saw a decline, plummeting by 14% to a local support of $0.000007. Will this bearish reversal trigger a more profound correction for the meme coin? Overhead supply hence a downfall to $0.000006. A recent reversal from the channel pattern hints at extended correction in the PEPE price. A breakdown below the 20-day moving average would likely accelerate the selling pressure in the market. The 24-hour trading volume in the PEPE coin is 51 million, indicating a 35% loss. On October 2nd, the PEPE coin price faced its third rejection from the upper boundary of the channel pattern, which has been dictating its price trajectory for almost 3 months. The price has consistently interacted with the parallel trend lines of this pattern, underscoring their significant impact on market participant behavior. Historically, each time the price encountered and retreated from this trend line, it set off a substantial decrease in the daily chart. Given this pattern, the latest retreat poses a similar threat to this meme coin's valuation. At the time of writing, the PEPE price is trading at $0.00000072. If it descends below the critical $0.000007 support, the traders could see a steep 15% decline, potentially testing the psychological support level of $0.000006. A further descent beneath this level would solidify the bearish narrative, possibly sending the price down to $0.00000005. Is PEPE price ready to retake $0.000001? Until the channel pattern is intact, the PEPE coin price will remain in a downward trend. Therefore, traders looking for a bullish opportunity must wait for a breakout above the overhead resistant trend line. This breakout would signal an early sign of trend reversal and could assist the buyers in regaining $0.000001. Exponential moving average. The 50-day EMA slope continues to act as a major resistance during bullish rallies. Directional movement index. A bearish crossover between the DIP plus, blue, and D, orange, slope offers an additional edge to market sellers. Here's why the PEPE coin price has crashed 10% as traders switch to alternative meme coins. In the wake of its staggering crash from its May all-time high, PEPE price has recently plummeted by another 10%. The decline in PEPE's value has been attributed to many factors, with traders shifting their focus to alternative meme coins. One coin that has been generating traction in this regard is Meme Combat, MK, a new pre-sale project featuring staking and battle arena mechanics. PEPE drops over 10% as investors take cautious approach. After posting 5 bullish closes in a row, PEPE was brought back to earth yesterday, dropping by over 10% in 24 hours. PEPE is now trading for $0.00000734, erasing most of the gains made last week. According to CoinMarketCap, PEPE's daily trading volume has dropped to $78.3 million, which is less than Dogecoin, Doge, Shiba Inu, SHIB, and Wall Street Memes, WSM. It appears that investors are taking a more cautious approach to PEPE and waiting for clearer signals before re-entering the market. However, more than 76% of CoinGecko users are still feeling good about PEPE's prospects, suggesting that community sentiment remains optimistic despite the recent price drop. Regardless, with PEPE's value now looking likely to head lower in the near term, it could be a tough few days ahead for hodlers. Security breaches and fading interest contribute to PEPE price crash. PEPE coin's recent decline in value can be attributed to several factors that have raised concerns among investors. Firstly, the project has suffered from 2 alarming security breaches in a short period, including a hack of PEPE's official Telegram channel. Unsurprisingly, this has led to waning investor confidence in a broad sell-off in the market. Secondly, the coin's lack of a clear use case has meant that PEPE is vulnerable to rapid price drops. As early adopters choose to cash out rather than continue holding, this triggers a domino effect, exacerbating PEPE's fall. Lastly, Google Trends data reveals a significant drop in public interest in PEPE, which spells trouble for the token's long-term future. Taken together, these factors offer a clear picture of why the PEPE price has crashed and will likely continue to crash going forward. Which alternative meme coins are traders switching to? As investors re-evaluate their positions in PEPE, many are turning their attention to alternative meme coins that offer more compelling use cases. One project capturing traders' interest is MemCombat, a new entrant in the meme coin space with intriguing prospects. MemCombat emerges as PEPE alternative with engaging staking and gaming ecosystem. MemCombat, MK, has emerged as a viable alternative for traders seeking to diversify away from PEPE's volatility. Not just another meme coin with no utility, it blends elements of gaming, gambling, and community participation into a fully fledged Web3 ecosystem. MemCombat offers several ways for users to earn, such as by staking MK tokens to bet on AI-powered meme battles between characters like Doge, Shib, and Pepe the Frog. According to MemCombat's staking dashboard, this setup will net stackers a yield of 112% annually. Additionally, MemCombat's users can also win big by guessing the winner of the aforementioned battles, with prizes paid out in MK tokens. MemCombat has set aside 30% of the total MK supply to cover staking and battling rewards, ensuring a sustainable pool of incentives to drive long-term engagement. The platform's trust is bolstered by a smart contract audit from CoinSalt, one of the world's leading blockchain security firms, which noted no issues, providing an additional layer of user confidence. These elements have helped create a noteworthy buzz around MemCombat's limited-time presale, which aims to raise $1 million in funding. Over $230,000 has been raised already, with prospective investors able to get their hands on MK tokens for $1.667 each. With MemCombat's roadmap laying out plans for major exchange listings once the presale ends, investor interest is expected to grow even further. As such, MemCombat is well positioned as a PEPE alternative, making it an appealing option for investors seeking utility-driven projects.